Hey everybody, welcome back to QCare YouTube channel. Hey, how are you guys doing? Well, do you like my dress? I love this dress. I like off-shoulder clothes. I like off-shoulder outfit, but I don't know why I never had this type of off-shoulder. It's a dress, it's a mini dress, and it just connected to arms and the body part like this, but it's completely off-shoulder. So off-shoulder, sorry. I love that. Well, today I brought Aorus Naked Daniels really adorable pantyhose to show you guys. So this model really pretty and beautiful in the package, and this pantyhose that I'm looking at, that I think I need something, you know, very pretty and very charming and very feminine and very sexy outfit. So I chose this one. I hope you guys like this combination with this dress and a more this pantyhose. This microphone just keep flipping out when I'm turning this one. It's like this, it's flipping in. I don't know what to do. Well, whatever. A more naked Daniels. Before we get into that, like this video and subscribe my channel, please, and leave a comment. I will read your comments and we can talk about like your opinion with my outfit. And if you wanna see more exclusive content of me, please check out the link of my membership site. You can find the link in description box or anywhere information of my video. So let's get started. Here's the reason I thought that this tights is really beautiful and very sexy. This part, it just makes me really excited to open that package because I love this lace area. This lace contour top has a silicone in it, so it just stick on your skin, so it doesn't move and doesn't slide it down. So, but then also that silicone doesn't bother you, so it just like stick on your body pretty nicely. And yeah, I really like this lace wide contour top, so it will cover your whole bellies like that. Now this pantyhose is Dirty Daniels, the original Dirty Daniels, and it's soft. Yay! I like that. It's non-reinforced toe. Non-reinforced toe, soft. The best part, as I said, lace contour top. Oh, that's interesting. It's seamless on the gusset area. No stitches at all. It's very seamless. Oh, excited. Okay, let me try this one on. Ta-da! Alright. I really have to say that my first impression when I'm trying this on, this one's really uncomfortable. Like that big wide lace contour top, right, which is like staying on my tummy right here. It doesn't stretch at all, like zero flexibility. So like this part was very soft to put on and it was flexible, but how can I fit my butt in it? I had to like so struggling put it on because I didn't want to get hurted, like getting ripped or something, because it's my first time trying it. Just opened this brand new pantyhose, so I had to pretty be careful trying this on, but it was really tight. It's so narrow and small, like like think about you're putting in your thick thigh and like your hip area, how you adjust with that. This is really minus part, to be honest, but I like how they look for sure. And yeah, even though the lace part is a bit weird feeling to put on, but this one, 30 denier nylon, is so soft. So definitely, definitely I like that. Thumbs up. But this one, waistband, God, thumbs down. The only thing I like about this waistband is just how it looks with these pretty, very feminine laces. Not laces, sorry, laces. Correct, right? Yeah, the lace part. So like, how can I put them on again? How can I take this off? It's gotta be a tough time. Yeah, with this part, like I don't know if I'm gonna have like any sparkle joy to try this on again. You know, I think the any clothes it has to be giving you inspiration to wear them, right? Because like when you're thinking about this nice dress, nice suit, you should be excited to wear them. But these ones are hard. That was really disappointing point. So let's move on. Made with for love, and I like this packages. The texture is like very smooth and soft, even though it's just regular paper, but they made a smoother texture. So I like it. And as I said, it's soft. This nylon. It's good. Yeah. What else I can say? Made in Poland. So it's a Poland tight. Made in European Union. This is not my first time trying this Amor, this tight brand. And I think they made decent, good quality pantyhose. So I enjoy to try something they are new arrivals and best sellers. Sorry, I realized I put my microphones right beside me, so I hope doesn't matter. Putting the high heel color matching with this very natural tone pantyhose with this nude color high heel. I like it. I really love this white dress, and this softness is 30 denier pantyhose, so I'd like to go somewhere. I think it's called naked because of feeling very soft, so you feel like naked wearing nothing, because it's just like laying down on your legs very soft and very, relaxedly. So that's why naked, I think. Yep. So you let me know what you think in comment. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much for watching my video today. Bye guys. Have a nice day.